Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Mr. Sinta and all my friends. On this occasion, I will to try present the result of my assignment entitled Unemployment and the Influence of Property Rates in Indonesia along with the explanation. Unemployment is one of the main problems faced by every country when talking about unemployment. It means not only talking about social problems but also talking about economic problems because unemployment in addition to causing social problems also has an influence on the economic growth of a country, especially developing countries such as Indonesia. Unemployment in Indonesia, which has reached tens of millions of people, is an urgent problem that must be solved immediately because the impact of unemployment will be very dangerous for the social order of life. Is the fact that various social crimes such as theft, mugging, robbery, prostitution, buying and selling children, street children, and other are impact of unemployment. Judging from its broad impact on the social order, unemployment has become a gem of social disease that is relatively fast-spreading, dangerous, and has a high risk of producing social victims, which in turn reduces in the quality of human research, dignity, and human dignity. Poverty is one of main issues in many discussions in developing countries, including Indonesia. In some previous studies show that unemployment has significant impact on poverty level. Poverty is one of the basic problems because poverty involves the fulfillment of the most basic need in life. And poverty is a global problem because poverty is a problem faced by many countries. Poverty is also a humanitarian problem that hinders prosperity and civilization. So, everyone agrees that poverty must be overcome. Poverty reduction strategies relate to availability of accurate poverty data, so that policies backed by government are right on target. When the unemployment rate increases, the poverty rate also increases, and when the unemployment rate decreases, the poverty rate also decreases. In theory, there is always a relationship between unemployment and poverty because people who are unemployment have no income and the effect is definitely poor. Then here are the factors affecting unemployment in Indonesia. The factors that cause unemployment are: number 1, there are technological advances. In the era of globalization, support company to ask machines in order to increase work effective. The company has the view that technology work wide speed up and make work more effective. So many employers are laid off because of the change to technology. Number 2, lack of education. Lack of education is a factor causing unemployment. Workers who have minimal education will lose competitive with prospective workers who have higher education. Therefore, a lack of education can prevent a person from looking for work. Number 3, lack of skill of job seekers. Every company, of course, has criteria in accepting employees, but of course, there will be competition in this case. The higher a person's skill in a position, the easier it will be for him to be accepted. Number 4, layoff. Usually, the company lays off to establish the work system or establish the company economy, which is faltering. termination of employment is arguably the thing that employees fear the most, because if the work contract runs out or there is reduction in employees, namely layoffs, private employees who originally worked at the company will be confused about finding work elsewhere. Number 5. Imbalance in the number of jobs and employment. Student and master degrees are increasingly having a hard time getting a job because the number of jobs available is small and not accompanied by the ability of these individuals. The population explosion in Indonesia can also be one of the triggering factors for unemployment in Indonesia. This caused by young graduates who are unemployment to wait for work. Number 1. Potential to make state finance well. Unemployment can cause a country financial cost to swell. This is because in some developed countries, unemployment still gets compensation, thus making state expenditure. Examples are such as in Europa country and country in the East such as Qatar. Number 2. Increased crime rates. People commit crimes. One of the drivers is the economy, such as not having money, needing money, having debt, etc. As we know that unemployment will have an impact on the economy of a family because they do not get an income. Some actions such as theft, maiming, fraud, robbery, and even murder are not the least caused by economic factor. And it is possible that criminals do this because they have no income. Number 3. Might cause a person to lose a skill or skill. Unemployment can cause a person to lose his skill or skill because he does not these skills. Number 4. Can lead to conflict between citizen and the government. Unemployment can cause citizens to come into conflict with the government. The conflict between citizen and the government is in the form of decreased interest, because the government is considered unable to open new jobs and meet the basic needs of its citizens. This causes conflict and crisis of trust in the government. Number 5. Can lead to gaps in employment opportunity. Unemployment can lead to gap in employment opportunity, thus making people feel that they are not being treated fairly. An example is the case that often occurs in Indonesia, where people who have connection will get higher job opportunity than those who do not. So that I can lead to envy, or people who don't get jobs feel they are not being treated fairly. Number 6. Can lead to social inequality. Unemployment can lead to social inequality. Social inequality is a continuous impact of increasing poverty rates, thus giving rise to other problems in the social sector. Coronavirus, or now known as COVID-19, is a type of infectious disease caused by a newly discovered type of coronavirus, which has entered Indonesia since March 2, 2020. It turned out that this virus does not only attack humans but also attack the Indonesian economy, making the Indonesian economy even worse, because the COVID-19 pandemic has caused the unemployment rate in Indonesia to increase to the large number of layoffs during this pandemic. One of the things that really grabbed attention in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic is the increasing number of unemployed. Since the COVID-19 pandemic, not a few companies have closed their operational activity. Some are temporary, some are indefinitely. Like it or not, the workers will be unemployed for a while. Not only that, the existence of government regulation regarding social distancing, lockdown, and PSBB for red zone area has caused people movement to be limited, causing many people to be unemployed. This is the end of my presentation. I close with a prayer. Wabillahi taufik wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.